we are working with all levels of business to support the development of clean energy technologies countrywide. SolarCo is leading the way in delivering solar PV solutions to businesses, helping to reduce their energy costs while meeting their sustainability targets. At SolarCo, we believe that solar PV is an excellent option for businesses to produce clean energy. There are government supports available through SEI to help businesses convert to clean green energy. These supports can help reduce the payback, with the typical installation paying for itself within 3 to 4 years. In many cases, the investment can be cost neutral. At SolarCo, we are dedicated to delivering on our stated commitments to our customers, inspired by our company values. Our company's goal lies within our steadfast belief that by constantly improving ourselves, we can help create a better future for our planet, our stakeholders, and our business. We have worked with a wide range of business sectors, including engineering, manufacturing, hotels, and agriculture, amongst others, each with a tailored plan for their energy needs. Our projects range in size from 50 kilowatt to 1 megawatt. Our project management team at SolarCo take pride in delivering expert solar PV systems safely, on time, and within budget. With our proven experience, we are ideally placed to deliver your solar PV installation specific to your energy needs. From design to commissioning, including after-sales service and monitoring of the system, your specific energy requirements are at the heart of our delivery. Each project is different. Critical time is taken with you and your organization to tailor a bespoke plan to fully maximize the benefits, meet your energy needs, and minimize your energy costs. The time frame for installations depends largely on the size of the solar PV system and its complexity. Health and safety is at the heart of our service. Our teams are fully compliant with all current regulation. Our project deliveries are site-specific, including induction at site, continued training, continuous development of all employees in line with best practice. With 30 years experience in the renewable sector through WoodCo, SolarCo has a proven track record in safe, dependable installations, delivering value and energy to meet your requirements.